Hello and welcome to Crypto Capital. My name is Roshan and today we'll be talking about another blockchain project which I am really bullish upon, and there has been a lot of more things going about this project which makes me wonder if I should make a video, and that's why I did this. So alright, before we dig deep into this video, just a quick reminder, everything I talk about in this video is my personal opinion and is for entertainment purpose only. Nothing is financial advice, and that's why I do not invest in anything I talk about just because I'm talking about the videos itself. So, if you guys followed my previous advice, Spell, it's actually at 3 cents, 3.1 cents. So it has been doing really well as well, along with a couple other crypto projects. Today we're going to be talking about COTI. So, COTI is a blockchain project which is meant to provide a payment platform, a payment system to different businesses, enterprises, and to kind of connect blockchain to the real world. And it's one of the real use cases of the adoption of the blockchain itself. So COTI, in an era of everything digital currencies remain outdated, currently it's cheaper to pay in cash than to use banks, PayPal, Alipay, and be like. COTI is the first enterprise-grade fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solution and digitalize any currency to save time and money. To make this simpler, basically what COTI is, it gives a platform to different businesses and different consumers to pay using crypto or credit card or their stable coin using the COTI platform, and that's why they can use COTI Pay to build their whole business upon this to save transaction fees and a bunch more other issues which is with the existing payment processing platforms. Alright, so let's go deep into why COTI is doing something which needs to be solved. So COTI provides with 7 necessary elements for a perfect payment infrastructure. COTI is scalable. COTI can process about 100,000 transactions per second, which is way more than a lot of these traditional companies can, and Visa, MasterCard, and these companies can. And that's one reason I think COTI should be able to become a big leader if they can provide the solution to the actual businesses to process this many payments at the same time. All right. Price stability. COTI is creating price stability technology which is necessary for mass adoption of blockchain for payments. So using COTI, you won't be losing your money while accepting something. If you want to, let's say you're a business and you want to accept Bitcoin for a business, you can use COTI Pay to integrate that. While accepting Bitcoin, let's say Bitcoin decides to dump a lot more money in the next 5 minutes, you won't be losing that money because of the COTI Pay, where it transacts or changes to whatever currency you want to accept that money into, while losing that fees because of the price volatility or whatever it is, right? COTI is pretty secure. Instantaneity, which is one of the big reasons, is like one of the traditional banks or traditional platforms takes hours, sometimes days to process transactions. For example, if you're using right now, posting a house in Airbnb and you're accepting payment from guests, to get the money from the actual guest, it takes about 2 to 3 business days after the guest has already left or after the guest already stayed in your house. With COTI Pay, you can actually get that payment right away after the guest has left the house or whatever that criteria could be, and it wouldn't take hours or days to solve a transaction. So why are we talking about COTI right now? COTI is actually launching their mainnet, and the mainnet is 2.0 is launching in 16 hours, which is actually coming out tomorrow. With the launch, with the COTI launchnet mainnet, they will be able to integrate a lot more features to different platforms and different projects as well. Along with that, they just got partnered recently with Cardano, and I was actually in the Cardano Summit in 2021 when this was announced. COTI just announced a partnership with Cardano where they're going to build the DJED stablecoin for Cardano. And that's huge because Cardano is the rank 5 project in the blockchain industry. And to build a stablecoin for them, that gives them a huge amount of use case already in the blockchain spectrum itself. Along with that, COTI has a lot more things in their pipeline as well. For example, they are right now launching ADA Pay, which is Cardano Pay. ADA Pay will let people use Cardano as a payment currency to buy a bunch of things, including they just partnered with a company called Lovelace, which is also an NFT platform built on Cardano, and people can use ADA Pay to pay with Cardano using COTI. Along with that, they're also launching a stable coin which is basically for the enterprises. And this is going to be huge if we are trying to get the adoption blockchain to different institutions and different enterprises, because then they need something which they can trust while waiting for hours to get that resolved, right? So these are some of the main reasons which I think Koti has a good catalyst behind it for it to make a big run. And let's understand what Koti Pay is. Koti Pay can process all payment types online or offline, including crypto and stablecoin, credit cards, even a merchant's native coin using their own platform. It also has a built-in financing with interest earned on deposits and business loan, and that's a huge feature if you're trying to have big businesses use cryptocurrencies in their platform as their adoption phase, or to get loans or to get financing. So we're still, I think, very early in the development phase of Koti. It has been developed, it has been being utilized, but it's still not completely adopted. And that's why I think if you are able to find a project which is not which is developed but it's not adopted, you probably can find a great hidden gem which is not visible to everyone else in the cryptocurrency space itself. There's also a Koti chart which makes me feel like I'm actually really bullish upon this. So this is a chart of Koti which I saw in one of these trading view ideas, and right now it's trading at 63 cents, and that's basically its all-time high, about 64 cents. If it just touches all-time high, it's trying to break it again, and if it does go above that, there's a good chance we can see a dollar Koti, especially after mainnet launch in next few days to next few weeks. So with that, that's all we had to talk about today in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed my videos. If you guys did, please feel free to like and click on subscribe button so you can see my next videos as well. Also click on the notification bar so every time we release a new video, you actually get notified for that as well. With that, thanks a lot for watching, guys. I hope you guys have a great rest of your week, and hopefully we can see Bitcoin at the all-time high price again. Thank you so much. You have a good day. Bye.